Hello everyone, welcome back to BP Interview Tutorials, and I hope you guys have seen the videos related to Google Data Studio, wherein how we can create the dashboards and reports with the help of Google Sheets. If you haven't seen that, please check out our playlist. Click on bell icon and subscribe option, and also check the playlist. You will find the multiple videos related to quality analyst, team leader, KPIs, people management, trainers, many more are there. Six Sigma certification and Excel tricks are also included. So let's start continuing with the topic of the Google Data Studio, wherein in the last three videos we have seen how to work on the basic of the Google Data Studio or Looker Studio. So today we will see how to add a table and a graph in the Google Data Studio. Let's start with the things. First of all, you can see here on the header part we have the options like add a chart. Okay, we will click on this and you can add a table directly. Okay, if you click on here, it will ask to add the table. By default, it will add few data with it on the basis of the sheet what we have included in the studio tool. How to include the sheet in the studio tool, you can watch out the previous video guys, you will get to know about all the information. So here you guys can see that automatically it had taken the employee name and the record count. Okay, so let's what we can do it here is, first of all we will go to style. Okay, in the right side make sure you will be on the you need to click on this so that you can move to the style and the control part of this particular table. Okay, so you will move to the style. Okay, once you move to the style you will increase the size of the text. Okay, you just make it to 14 or 16. Okay, it's done. And let's add few details here. Now this is a quality dashboard. We want to show the scores of the employees. Okay, we just want to show the scores of the employees. So what I will do, we have three options here. First is dimensions, the another part is metrics guys. In the dimensions we will add the textual related information. In the metrics we will add the calculative information. So I'll remove this record count first. I'll click on add metrics. I will select the number of audit count. Okay, it's easy to understand, number of audit count. Let me increase the size guys, maybe because of this. Okay, let increase the let add the audit count first. Okay, audit count added. It will take just 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, audit count added. Now I just want to add the team leader name. Okay, I will add the team leader name as well. Okay, now I told you guys, see this is the matrix, which means here we will do the calculation, but we want to add the TL name also. So we will add all the static related or textual information in the dimension part. So I will add TL name here. So I just mentioned my column name is TL. So we will add the TL name here guys. It's done. Okay, quality now next I will add audit count is done. Now next I will add, okay, scores. Okay, and I want the average of the scores guys. Okay, I want the average of the scores. Okay, let me check the raw data first, how my raw data looks actually. So if I go to my raw data, it's just loading, just give us a couple of seconds, it will not take much time. Okay, so here we are creating a table guys. How our table look like, we are creating that, wherein we have added the employee name. I will just resize it so that it look good here. Okay, TL name also added, and audit count also added. It's looking really cool, and scores are also added. Okay, let me check how my data is looking like. Okay, let me check that. Okay, let's move to the last part wherein I can see how the score is looking like. Okay, just couple of seconds guys. Okay, let's move this side, last corner. Okay, scores. Okay, it is showing under the percentage. Same I will do, I'll go to my scores. Okay, are you able to see this sum in the left corner? Are you able to see this? You need to click on this. Okay, here you need to convert this into the average. Here you can also rename this course. Okay, suppose I mention the name as course, you can mention here as quality course example. You can rename this easily, you can do guys. Okay, you can mention as quality course. It got cap locked, just give me 1 minute. Quality course. It's just loading guys. Okay, I'll just close this. I don't want this information. Okay, quality scores. You can see here the text got changed, and we are getting the answers in the average format. And I want this in the number. No, I just want this in the percentage. So if you go to numeric, you will get the option of percentage. You just need to select the percentage there. Yes, it's done guys. Are you able to see this course automatically? You can see this course here. Okay, now we want to just make it to the center alignment. We'll go to style, and you need to just scroll down. Okay, here you will find the alignment. This is the dimension part guys. So with the dimension part we are making the alignment. This is the numeric part, we're making the alignment as center guys. Okay, done. It's done. Yes, it's done. Now show the header is done. Yes, now I don't want the grid lines guys. Okay, if you don't want the grid lines, you will just scroll down. Okay, no, first I will keep the border guys, and I'll keep some shadow also on the border. You can do that. Okay, everything is sorted now. If you view this, you can see employee name, TL name, audit count, and scores. Now I just want to make it like high to low. If you just click on audit score, automatically it gets sorted to high to low. You can see this guys. Okay, the audit scores as per the TL name. Really cool guys, you got the complete understanding. Rest, if you want to change the border color, table color, you can do it very easily guys. Just click on it, and you need to go to style. There are multiple options to set the colors. Okay, click on style, scroll a bit. You can see here table color, it will change the header border color. Okay, if you click on it, if you give border color as blue, it will get changed to blue. Correct. Now this is the cell border color. If you want to change the cell border color, no, I just want to keep that as in black only. It is row color, no, I don't want to change. Okay, odd even row, you just change it guys. You will get to know in this way. Okay, so it will help you to change the colors guys. Nothing so in this way you can change the colors. Okay, you can also change the label colors. Okay, you can also change the font here. Okay, if you want to change the font, I want to keep this font as Google or anything. Yes, you can change the font here. Here you can see the audit count is not that visible. We will just scroll it down a bit, or else we will just adjust it. You can also wrap text. This is also the option of wrap text. Okay, alignment, multiple options are there guys. Whatever your requirement is, you can use the same. This is all about adding table in the Google Data Studio while creating the dashboard using Google Sheet. Still have any doubt guys, please share your comment and feedback. Will surely help you out with your concerns. Do share, subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot for watching.